guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That is right here. This is from Third Eye High. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this is a brand new box. I'm always so excited when I get to show you a brand new subscription box. And that is what I'm going to be doing today, you guys. This company got a hold of me. I have never heard of them before. I've never seen any videos, seen their website, have never even heard of them before. So I was really excited when I started looking at their site to see kind of like what was going to be all involved. And it seems really, really interesting. So what I'm going to do, what I do when I first bring a new box to my channel is I'm going to tell you everything that I could find out about the company so we know what to expect. And then we're going to dive in and see what is all inside of this box. And again, I'm super excited. One thing though, I'm kind of bummed, like they literally put my address and stuff here, but then the good old United States Postal Service decided to slap one right on the top, covering up their whole entire logo. So that's kind of sad. No, we can't even see their little logo that's supposed to be right there. So, okay, again, the company is called Third Eye High, and they did generate my own code. I have two different ones. One of them is SC10, SC like SheCrafty, SC10. That is an exclusive discount code to get you $10 off a one-time box, which would be like this box right here. Or SC20 will get you $20 off if you did the year subscription. 3 boxes per year. So it's less than quarterly. There's 3 boxes per year. I kind of like that because then you're not getting an over bombarded amount of products. It's only 3 times a year. So Third Eye High is a woman-owned CBD, beauty, and wellness subscription company. Each box is valued over $200 and is individually curated with 7 cutting-edge products, both CBD and non-CBD products, and designed to align with your 7 chakras in the body. I really like that. Okay. So, and annual subscriptions are available for $375 for the year. That includes 3 boxes, or $135 for an individual box. So yes, this is on the higher price side, but if it does have CBD products as well, CBD products are very, very expensive. So let's see what's inside. So it's $135 for the individual box, but you can use my code to save $10 off. The Third Eye High concept was developed by 4 women who share a passion for beauty, wellness, and CBD industries. Third Eye High works to blend the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of women of all ages. The 7 chakras in the human body are the main energy centers, and by unblocking each chakra, the mind and body become more closely aligned. Third Eye High, again, is 3 times per year, will send you the best full-size, hand-picked CBD and non-CBD lifestyle products with a value of over $200 per box. All products are personally tested and deemed tried and true. There's no better gift for your wife, girlfriend, daughter, mom, and of course yourself, or anybody else for that matter. New year, new you, right? So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what this is going to be about. So let's find out, shall we? Okay, so when you first open it up, there we go, Third Eye High. So that's what you see on the inside. Very, very cute packaging. I like the purple and the black together. I like those colors. Oh, and then these must be the 4 gorgeous women who started this lovely box right there. Welcome to our clique. We hope you enjoy your products as much as we do. We hope you enjoy our products as much as we do. I think there might be a little too many as muches in there, but there's that. And then here is this card right here. And on the back it says, let's get social. And it tells you their website, their Instagram, and their Facebook. So you can definitely go and check them out. And this box was sent to me for review. I don't know if I made that clear enough in the beginning, but they did get a hold of me and they sent me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box, you guys. I can't wait to see what is going to be down inside of all this purple packaging. So let's dive in. So the first thing is this package right here, and it says, Hello Goldie. Sleep in Sunday, smooth, minty, calm, hemp infused botanical tea. Okay, so that's what this is. Let's get this opened. And there's not a card or anything to tell us even what the values of each items are. Right off the bat, I'm gonna kind of say for $135, you would think there would be some type of a brochure in here to at least go over all of the products, to give you more information about them, and hopefully to give you the retail value. But let's keep going. Let's see what happens here. So here are, looks like here's 3 different things of tea. Here's a Sleep In Sunday. It says 20 milligrams of CBD. Here's a Sleep In Sunday. Here is a Shine, same 20 milligrams of CBD. And this says Smitten. And then here is it says Nano CBD Sun Drops, Drink Me. So then here is just this guy that says Liquid Sunshine on the go. Add sun drops to your favorite beverage and enjoy our signature dose of 5 milligrams of organic hemp delivered nano CBD. Take our convenient single dose packets anywhere and drink your way to a sun-soaked day. Drop liquid contents in a beverage and enjoy. So you can dump this into whatever you're drinking and add 5 milligrams of CBD instantly, or you can make these teas and there's 20 milligrams of CBD in those. So here's the first item right there. The next item says Revive Eye Serum. Okay, and this says that it is 100 milligrams of pure hemp CBD. So that is really neat. You have an eye serum. So here's the packaging on the inside. Let me remove the plastic. So there's that without the plastic, and it says Revive Eye Serum Dual Patent Formula. Okay, and does it say what to do? Directions for use. For best results, under eye and around the eye area to clean skin before bedtime. So is it like a roller ball? Yes. So you just roller up on it and you just put it underneath your eyes before you go to bed. I really like eye serums, especially as I'm getting older. I kind of see that my skin is not the same as it was once before. But that is really neat because now you have a CBD infused eye serum to roll on before you go to bed on your cleansed skin. So there's item number 2, not 4, 2. Now we have, this says Theramu Soothe Therapeutic Bath Crystals. Okay, so here is that. I will go ahead and open this to show you what they look like. I personally do not take baths, so any bath bombs, bath crystals, anything like that, I don't use. But I will definitely pass it down to somebody in the family who has a really, really nice tub and does like soaking in it. So I always pass them down to her. And let's see. Ooh, it smells like a nice fresh spa. I can smell essential oils. It smells good, but there is that. So therapeutic bath crystals. It says that there's 20 milligrams of pure hemp extract in this 4-ounce jar of bath crystals. So there is that. Next we have is Power Snack to Go Original Balm, 2 bombs, blender. What number, do you eat this? What is this? Original balm, almonds, organic dates, pecans, flaxseed, hemp seed, walnuts, chai seeds, organic honey, aloe vera, organic bee pollen, sea salt, cinnamon, and organic vanilla. Free of GMOs, grains, gluten, dairy, refined sugars, soy, and oats. So all free of all of that stuff. And it does say non-GMO verified at the bottom. Let's see what this is. So then down inside of here, they look funny and it smells funny. Let's see. I don't know, it stinks. I don't like the scent of it, but that is what it looks like. Hold on, let me taste this. I'm not really wanting to, but I'm going to. I don't like the flavor. Okay. Maybe the dates are doing it. I don't know. But that's something that I personally don't like. So I'm gonna just set that right there. I won't purchase those, let me tell you. So I'm so glad we're gonna try some stuff out first, you guys. So now we have 2 products from the same line. It says Dime Eyelash Boost Serum and a Volume Mascara. I've never heard of that brand. I guess it's Dime. Let's open these up and see. I need something to drink. They should have given us like an actual CBD infused water, like ready to drink, so I could wash that shit down. Okay, so that's the box. This one is the Eyelash Boost Serum. It says apply nightly to the base of the upper and lower eyelashes. Apply every other day if a mild tingling sensation occurs. So there's the package. Okay, so it's like that, and you just put it on the base of your lashes. I'm still tasting that thing. Here is the mascara. Did I call that one the mascara? Who knows? And then here is the wand for the mascara, and it's in the color black. So you have a mascara and you have an eye serum. Did you see that come back out? An eye serum. Okay, so the last item down in here says Paradise Club Sun Kissed 250 milligram CBD oil. It says hydrating body oil. And if you follow me, you know I can't stand oily products. I don't like putting anything oily on my skin. So I definitely will not use this. But it says with rose hip, argan oil, and hints of passion fruit, the Sun Kiss blend smells like a splash of sweetness and a perfect pinch of florals. Laced with an uplifting dose of CBD, use your Sunkissed body oil to stay golden and glowing any time of the day. So there is that. It is a big jar of it, but again, I don't like oily products. I don't even like touching anything oily. So I'm just gonna leave this right in the box, and I will put this in my future giveaway pile, and I'll go to one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. But this is a 50 milligram bottle, and it has 250 milligrams of CBD. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Again, it's $135. You got this body oil that's enriched with CBD. You have a CBD bath salts. You have a CBD infused eye serum. You have CBD tea, and then this little extra boosting shot that you can put in any type of a beverage. This all came together. So here's the CBD teas, and then you have this blender thing. I'm not gonna eat that. Hopefully some people like it. That's the thing, everybody is different. Your taste, your sense of smell, everything is completely different. That's why we're all different. Me personally, I don't care for the texture, the taste, and all this stuff that is now stuck in like every single one of my teeth. So there's that. And then you have 2 products here. One is a mascara and one is a eyelash serum. So that is everything. If I can find any of these products to kind of get some value for you guys, I will definitely do that to try to tell you guys what maybe the value should be, because this should be valued over $200. And again, I know CBD products are expensive. I just don't know how pricey 3 bags of tea, an eye serum, and a body oil with some bath salts are. But again, I will try my best to find anything that I can so we can see if this is about a $200 value. Right now, I don't know because there's no card that tells me how much anything is. Okay, guys, so I wanted to do a little bit of digging just so I can get some pricing so we can kind of tell if it was of the value. So on those the little blender bombs, the 2-pack, the ones that I didn't care for, those, the only thing that I could find from that company's website is a pack of 10. The pack of 10 is $24.99. So if you divide that by 10, it brings it to $2.49 per bomb. So for a 2-pack, I'm gonna value them at $4.98 for conversation purposes of the value that I'm gonna come up with right now. So I'm gonna value those at $4.98. And then the Dime brand mascara and the eye serum, that comes in a Super Eye Duo. They come together and they're normally $56 and they're currently on sale for $49. The Paradise Club Sun-Kissed body oil. I'm seeing that all over for like $25 and $30. So $25, $30 should be that price for that oil. Then the Thrive Original Eye and the Soothe Bath Salts. They're from the same brand, and on their website, the eye serum is normally $49.95, and then the bath salts is normally $24.95, and then the Hello Goldie, it comes in a mixed bundle pack where it comes with one of each of the teas, but online it comes with 2 of those little shot situations that I only had 1 in mine, but it's supposed to come with 1 of each of the teas and 2 of those, and it's a set for $15. So if I were to add everything up at the highest, the before sale pricing is $180.88 for the total. So I do see where they're going with the CBD products. I do see the value is definitely over the $135. I just wish you had a bigger value or different products. So there is that, you guys. Again, I'm super glad that I was able to show you another box. I was kind of hoping there was going to be more of like the spiritual things to this box based on them talking about aligning your chakras and that kind of thing. So I think I just had different expectations for this box. At $135, again, I know CBD products are expensive, but I thought maybe we would have had a lot more to it, like some gummies or some oil, like the actual oils to put on, like to help relieve stress or to help with sleep. That would have been nice. Just, I don't know, just a body oil, bath salts, and an eye serum and tea just doesn't seem like a $135 box to me, just being completely honest with you guys. That's what I am here to do. You guys, if you see the value, by all means, definitely go check out their site. Definitely go and grab it if you would like. I'm not saying that to, but I'm just saying it's kind of hard looking at these products in front of me, seeing $135. But again, this is only one variation of the box, so no telling what they do in other boxes. But have you heard of this company before? Do you like the different products that are in here? You guys comment down below. I want to hear what you think, especially for this being such a high price point. I would love to know if you guys see the value or if you don't see the value. Please comment down below and let me know. Again, I really love what they're going for, what they're trying to achieve. I'm having a little trouble with the products that are in this box seeing of value when they could have done so much with CBD products. And yeah, that's my own opinion. So there you go, you guys. Comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.